In this video, we'll be looking at how to graph a cosecant function. The problem that we'll be doing is to graph y equal 1/2 cosecant of x plus pi over 4. So to do this, we will consider the graph of y equal 1/2 sine of x plus pi over 4, since cosecant is the reciprocal of sine. Well, we can see that we have an amplitude of 1/2, so our max and min are going to be at 1/2, since I don't have a number added on back here or in the front, so I don't have a vertical translation. So 1/2 and negative 1/2 are my max and min guidelines for my sine curve. Also, I can see that I have a phase shift Now remember, this is x minus d, and so this is actually a negative pi over 4 for my starting point. My period b value here is 1, so period is 2 pi over b, so 2 pi over 1, which is 2 pi. So I'll divide that period into 4 parts to represent my quadrants. So 2 pi divided by 4 gives me pi over 2. So that'll be the width of each of my quadrants. And so I'm starting at a negative pi over 4. When I add pi over 2, I have pi over 4. And then I add another pi over 2, which is 3 pi over 4. And add another one, I'll be at 5 pi over 4. So these are the points where I need to mark my sine curve. Right? Sine curve at the starting point is always on the center line. So at my starting point of negative pi over 4, I need to label. So I'm going to label all of these in fourths. So pi over 4, 2 pi over 4, 3 pi over 4, and 4 pi over 4, negative pi over 4, negative 2 pi over 4, negative 3 pi over 4, and negative 4 pi over 4. So my sine curve at the center line at my starting point, which was negative pi over 4. So here's my beginning point for my sine curve. And then my next point for my sine curve is going to be at pi over 4. And then 3 pi over 4 will be my center line. And then 5 pi over 4, which I didn't show, but it'll be this next mark. That'll be my min. And I'm going to go ahead and draw my dotted line in for the sine curve. I can go to another one here. Now, every place where my sine curve has a 0, my cosecant curve is going to have an asymptote. So I'll have an asymptote back here, an asymptote here at negative pi over 4, and another one here, and then over here. And then the reciprocal of negative 1 is negative 1, so my cosecant curve hits this point, and it hits this point. So I can draw my cosecant curve now. And from this asymptote to this asymptote is 1 period of my cosecant curve, because then it would start over here with a curve that opens down.